I think I can say like this that we are not living in real world. We are living in a real world because majority of our life was decided and also planned after seeing the reels. The dominance of social media in our life is very much bigger. So what I'm trying to say that the basic of social media, the content, everything is multimedia. Today, I am going to teaching multimedia. I am Sanan Sudharan, Department of Multimedia, Assistant Professor, Gems Arts Science College. Welcome to my class. So, guys, let me tell you a small introduction to our course, Introduction to Multimedia and Graphics. This course introduces the fundamental principles and technique in dynamic world of multimedia and graphics. Whether you are a beginner or already have some experience, this content will give you a solid foundation to understand how visual communication, technology, and creativity intersect in multimedia application. So this is the course summary for your knowledge. Okay. So, guys, now you know what is our course and what are the things that included in our course summary. So, now we will be discussing about what is multimedia and what is the definition, what is the features, elements. So, what are the new formats of multimedia, etc. like that. So, we will go through what is multimedia. So, what is multimedia? Multimedia is the combination of multiple forms of content. We know there are lot of different type of contents we can see in social media and everywhere in the media feel like that. So what are things we'll be including in that content like text, audio, images, animation, video, and interactivity. So to present information or entertainment, like for in the entertainment field or like in presenting information, these all elements will be combined, and that is what we call multimedia. Like we can say website, educational tools, games, and we can use in digital marketing also. So we can say like this: multimedia refers to the use of combination of different content form such as text, audio, images, animation, video, and interactive elements to present information or provide entertainment. So I will show you a small video what is multimedia, which is more easy to understand in your studies. Okay.
What is multimedia? Let's find out. It's communication of information. Using multiple mediums such as text, animation, graphics, video, sound, and interaction. All of these examples are what can be used to create multimedia. One example of multimedia is, well, this video.
I think you got an idea of what are the elements in multimedia, which is what all things combines in multimedia. Now we can go through what are the key features of multimedia. Let's look at what makes multimedia so powerful and unique. So the first one will be integration. You can see in the PPT, integration, it combines different media types into one seamless application. Like it combines text, graphics, audio, video, and animation into single application, which gives so powerful meaning communication to the thing. And next one we can see interactivity. So in multimedia we can use like users can engage the content by clicking, responding. These things will be happening in the multimedia things. Another thing like linearity. Unlike books, users can jump into topic hyperlink. We can, when we click in a website, we can hyperlink another content, another ideas, another meaningful communication things. We can go through this non-linearity. And another thing in real-time performance, the system reacts instantly, like game live streaming. Like when we see like AI chatbots, or like we can say online chatbots, we can get a lot of information. Like in Google, when we search something, we can get a lot of ideas. Another one is like multimodal delivery, which is called information is delivered via sights and sound and sometimes touch. Another one is like digital representation. All content is stored and transmitted in digital forms. So these features make multimedia highly engaging and flexible thing. So these are the key features of multimedia. Okay. So already we have discussed what are the elements of multimedia. So we will be discussing, explaining more about multimedia consists of six core elements. What is one is that text, image graphics, audio, video, animation, and interaction. So what is text? Used for titles, labels, or content narration. Another one will be like what we say image or graphics, provide visual appeal and clarity. Audios will be add mood, voice over effects. Video combines visuals and sound to demonstrate concept of tell stories. Animation brings still images to life and explain complex idea visually. Interaction is like lets the users be part of the content experience. Like we should be interactive. What we are like when we give a message, or when we give a communication, or like when we give a information, we should be getting back the reply or like that. So together these elements enhance the communication and learning. So now you know what is AI, isn't it? So AI is getting very much high demanded things happening in our society, like in social media and like that. So AI is very revolutionized multimedia creation. So we know AI content. What is AI content? AI generated content is a text, image, audio, video, or animation. It's same. What are the elements of multimedia? Same like that. Using artificial intelligence algorithm. Using the algorithm, it's not a human invention. It's a artificial intelligence. So by the use of AI, we can create multimedia contents. So how it is working? So there is a small video which is I will play. I will show you in the YouTube. You can understand how much far AI has been gone. Okay, so we can see like that, and after that we can come to it.
I don't know if I'm on the right path, but I'm trying to find it. I'm questioning, searching, and then something shifts, and I'm not trying anymore. I'm just doing. And all of the pieces start falling into place.
It all feels pretty clear in my head. I see these like flashes of possibilities, almost like I'm traveling through dimensions.
I'm looking down at myself and my characters in these different worlds, and it's almost coming to life on their own, even though I know I'm in control of that narrative. It feels like it's almost building upon itself at some point. You know, you could have an infinite amount of endings to your story.
So the work isn't built brick by brick by brick. It blooms like a spontaneous garden. It grows naturally, fully vibrant and complete.
I'm not forcing it. I'm just finding it. And that's when I know I'm in the right place.
So we can go to what are the things happening in AI. AI generated images to like DALI, Midjourney. You see the prompt, like when we give prompt in an runway ML, we can make the videos what you see in that YouTube video. So using design education like that. So text and script generation, voice and audio synthesis generation, video creation generation, game designing. So AI save time, enhance creativity, and personalize content. So AI is very much useful for our future, but also we want to use it very wisely also. Okay. So that's all about today. We can see you on next class. Okay. Thank you.